When you have a large list in Excel and you go to print the list, sometimes it's handy to repeat the column headings at the top of each page as the list grows and grows. For this, we're going to use print titles. For example, if I start by going to print preview to see what would print, this will print one page with the column headings, and on page 2 I don't get the column headings. What I want to do is set this spreadsheet up that as this list grows and grows, it always repeats the column headings on the first page on every page. For this, I'm going to go to Page Layout in the ribbon, and I'm going to click the Print Titles button. The Print Titles button brings up this window. This option here allows me to repeat rows at the top of each page. With this option here clicked, I'm then going to use my mouse to click on row 1 by clicking the row number 1. This will now repeat row 1 at the top of every page. If I click the Print Preview button, I can check that that's worked. The first page, as it did before, has the column headings, and when I move to the second page, it's now repeating the column headings on the second page. As this list grows and grows, those columns headings will be repeated on every page. If I change the page setup by clicking this option here to Landscape and OK, the column headings are still repeated at the top of every page, page 2 and page 1, and then just click Home to remove yourself from Print Preview.